Hashtag open source software major updates long-form tutorial script. You're probably missing out on game-changing features in your favorite open source tools right now. And honestly, most people don't even know these updates exist. Today, we're breaking down the major open source software updates that actually matter and how to leverage them to work smarter. I'm your host at TechNavigator Pro, and we're about to transform how you use the tools you rely on every single day. Let's start with the real problem. Open source software moves fast. Really fast. Updates drop constantly, but most of us are still running outdated versions with features we've never discovered. You're leaving productivity on the table. You're missing security patches. And you're definitely not using features that could save you hours every week. Here's what's changed in the open source landscape, and why you need to pay attention. First, let's talk about Linux distributions. According to recent Ubuntu documentation and release notes, Ubuntu 24.04 LTS introduced significant improvements to system performance and container integration. The installer now includes better disk encryption options right from the start. Look for the Enable Full Disk Encryption checkbox on the installation screen. This is foundational. If you're still on older versions, you're missing native support for modern development workflows. But here's where it gets interesting. The Linux kernel itself, check the official kernel.org changelog, has been receiving quarterly updates with massive performance gains for container orchestration. When you boot your system, you're now getting better resource allocation for Docker and Kubernetes environments automatically. No configuration needed. Now, let's walk through actually updating your system and discovering these features. Step 1. Check your current version. Open your terminal and type lsb_release up on Linux systems. This command shows your exact distribution and version number. Write this down. You need to know where you're starting from before you navigate forward. Step 2. Review the official documentation. Go directly to your software's main website. For Ubuntu, that's ubuntu.com. For Fedora, fedoraproject.org. Look for the release notes section. This is where every major feature is documented. According to recent Fedora project announcements, Fedora 41 shipped with significant improvements to the GNOME desktop environment and better integration with systemd services. Step 3. Understand what you're updating. Don't just blindly install updates. Read what's actually changing. Is it a major version bump? A point release? Security patch only? These distinctions matter. Major versions might have breaking changes. Point releases are usually safe. Security patches? Install immediately. If you're finding this valuable, hit that subscribe button. We post tech tutorials daily, and your notification bell ensures you never miss a game-changing update that could transform your workflow. Step 4. Back up your system. This is non-negotiable. On Ubuntu systems, open the Activities menu in the top left corner, search for DejaDup, that's the built-in backup tool, and create a full system backup before proceeding. On Fedora systems, the Files application offers similar functionality. Take screenshots of your current configuration. You want a recovery point. Step 5. Actually run the updates. Open your terminal and execute sudo apt update and in sudo apt upgrade on Debian-based systems like Ubuntu. On Fedora, use sudo dnf upgrade. On Arch, run sudo pacman-su. These commands fetch the latest package lists and install available updates. This typically takes 5 to 15 minutes depending on your system and internet speed. Step 6. Discover new features after updating. Here's what most people skip. After updating, actually explore what's new. For example, according to the latest GNOME project documentation, newer versions of the GNOME desktop include improved window management features. Open the Activities overview, then open Settings by clicking the gear icon in the top right corner. Navigate to the Windows section. You'll find new tiling and snap options that didn't exist in previous versions. Step 7. Update your development tools separately. If you use code editors like Visual Studio Code, programming languages like Python, or container tools like Docker, these update independently. Go to your Applications menu and select Check for Updates. For VS Code, that's the gear icon in the bottom left, then check for updates. For the official Microsoft documentation, VS Code now includes native Copilot integration that requires the latest version. Step 8. Enable auto-updates for security patches. Here's the pro move. Go back to Settings, search for Software Updates, and look for the Automatic Updates toggle. Switch it on. Choose Security Updates only to balance safety with stability. This ensures you're protected against vulnerabilities without constantly breaking your workflow. Now, let's talk pro tips that separate experts from casual users. First, join your software's community. For Linux, that's the Ubuntu forum or Fedora discussion forum. For other open source projects, check GitHub discussions. When major updates drop, communities discuss what's actually worth upgrading for. You'll catch hidden gems. Second, run version-specific commands to unlock features. For example, recent Docker releases, check docker.com documentation, include improved GPU support. After updating to the latest version, you can enable GPU acceleration by adding runtime NVIDIA to your Docker Compose files. Most people update Docker but never use the new capabilities. Third, automate your update process. Create a cron job on Linux to schedule updates during off hours. Open your terminal and type crontab, then add a line like 02***0 sudo apt update and in sudo apt upgrade y. This runs updates every Sunday at 2 a.m. automatically. Fourth, monitor changelog summaries. Don't read 500-line changelogs. Instead, visit your software's blog directly. The official Ubuntu blog, Kubernetes blog, and Python.org announcements highlight what actually matters. Skip the noise. Here's the reality: open source software is evolving at incredible speed. Major updates include performance optimizations, new security features, and productivity tools that can fundamentally change how you work. The projects developing these tools, from the Linux Foundation to the Apache Software Foundation, are constantly innovating based on community feedback. The key is staying informed without getting overwhelmed. Check your versions quarterly. Read the release notes. Test updates on non-critical systems first if you're nervous. Then upgrade with confidence. Remember, the tools you use are only as powerful as your knowledge of them. By staying current with open source updates, you're not just getting new features, you're future-proofing your entire tech stack. At TechNavigator Pro, our mission is simple: help you navigate your tech journey with confidence. These open source updates are part of that journey. Master them, and you'll stay ahead of the curve. Subscribe to our channel, and let's navigate this tech landscape together. Next week, we're diving into automation workflows that will save you hours every month. See you then.